I'm Becky Roselle. I currently live in Longwood, Florida, but I'm from North Carolina. The accent gives it away. I have been thinking about having these procedures done for some time. I had gastric bypass in 2006 and lost like 155 pounds. After that huge change, I had a lot of changes in my skin. And so I came to Dr. Johnson and spoke to him about making some changes in my face. Well, I originally picked him I did internet research. I had talked to my dermatologist before that, and he gave me a list of 3. And Dr. Johnson was, of course, on that list. I went online, and I loved his video. And I just connected to him, even through the internet. So I made an appointment, came to visit him, and he is so real. You just know he loves what he does. Like, I'm a teacher, and I know I love what I do. So when you meet someone else who has that same passion about what they do, you recognize it immediately. And so I just knew he will make the difference for me. And I was not wrong. He's fantastic. He's also clinically, professionally the best in his field. And so he helped me with a facelift, which I was delighted with. The whole neck thing went away, and that was cool. And then after I had that done, there were just some couple minor adjustments that I just wasn't happy with. He explained it to me. He said, Becky, it's like going from a size 24 dress to a size 8 dress. You may alter the dress, but if you don't press and steam it, it's never going to look right. And so this was just the finishing touch. And then I had this laser procedure was on last Monday, week today. Well, on day 7, I'm delighted. Very little downtime. I was just tickled when I could just have, 5 days down and then up and running. I took pictures the night before with a digital camera, but there was this one place on my cheek that I was so unhappy with. It just looked like a permanent crease in my face, and it's like so gone, so I'm very happy about that. It was a one-shot deal. I came in, had it done in the morning, went home that afternoon, rested. I'm on day 7 right now, so it's up and back to work. Within a week, you're perfect. Again, as I'm only 7 days out, I still have more surprises, more mornings when I wake up and wash my face and look, oh my gosh, it's even better today than it was yesterday. Things that I wouldn't have done earlier or something like that, now I don't find myself being intimidated by them. I'm like, okay, I'll do it. But not afraid anymore, not intimidated, not afraid to step out there and just say, hi, my name's Becky, what's your name? Just start talking to people again. Any questions I have, they're right there on the money. They help me out. They explain things to me. They make it so understandable. They're wonderful. The entire staff is incredible. From the second time I came here, everyone knew my name. The whole staff, they're just that personable. They connect. Anyone who says anything to me and asks me, I tell them, and I'm like, this is who you have to go to. And it's funny, when I first booked him, and I was telling people about, because I was so nervous, and as soon as I would say his name, I would get this, oh yeah, you got the best on that one. Everybody, by just word, it was already out there, So it was really comforting. Even nurses, friends that I had, like, oh yeah, he picked the best. His personality and his passion for what he does. It's so real and it is so honest. You just see it and you know that you're not a number, you're not a clinical procedure. He comes in and he looks at you and he cocks his head this way, and he takes his finger and he pushes just the slightest bit this way or this way, as he's talking to you about anything in the world, kind of thing. But he's sitting there calculating and thinking things through, and he's already plotting his, big extravaganza, what he's going to do to you. And then he gets excited about it, and he gets you excited about it, and you're like, okay, because you're afraid to hope for too much, But as you're talking to him, you start to see all the possibilities and the potential, and you think, oh, this could happen. I could have this back, and all those years of damage that I did to my skin, I could get them back. And that's the coolest part, because that's what he gives you. It's kind of like time in a bottle. He's giving you time. He's restoring that time that you lost, that you didn't take advantage of. Now you got a second shot.